To go to Corfu, but actually in the end it worked out better because the cost of the flight was coming down and down and down. Yeah. So we kept getting. Oh, where are you off to?
No, it's going right.
So we kept getting refunds and then getting it cheaper and getting refunds, getting it cheaper. So it was all good in the end. Yeah.
Our skipper's keeping the wind in the sails. That's what he's doing.
Mind you, it evened out because we booked the flights for here on the morning EasyJet released the flights. Like I was up at 6 AM, booked them, got them dead cheap, and then we decided to put the flotilla on the end of it. We weren't doing the flotilla initially, and so had to change the flights. I totally remember being on the beach and seeing the yachts moored out here, being like, what the hell are they doing moored out there? Not realising obviously they was learn to sail yachts. I was like, that's a weird place to stop.
Should I make it a bit slower?
No, that's fine.
No, that's fine. And I hadn't been out on the yachts yet. Like, I was still waiting to go out. And they all anchored up here. And everyone was like, oh man, we need to come for you.
Oh,
we're at
come until the next week. We'll
8.5.
swap here. Swap out.
We're at 8.5.
Fine, we'll keep on again. You go tiny bit. Like that, yeah. Yeah, I was like sat out on sea like on the little red boat, and I was like, oh, just great.
Honey, present.
Our boat's like tilting left.
So just bring it.
Make sure. We're at 7.
Windsurf down, windsurf down.
What?
Windsurfers for look, can you see?
We are ready to start.
Should I put it down?
Oh no, we'll keep heading in nice and slowly, just keep it up.
Escape is coming in fast.
I had this exact situation last year. The only difference was that I got a broken my toe. I like kicked inside the boat at one point, and I stood there and stood there for a while, and I went to move, and I was like, oh my god. Like, in so much pain, I was like, trying not to cry, and I just like turned my gas, and I was like, I think we're gonna anchor up now.
We'll begin with just one part, and that's throttle back and go slightly reversing and start. Okay.
And she like came over on the radio so everyone could hear. And she was like, Maddie, are you okay? And I was like, no. And she was like, okay, radio the beach club and get someone to come out and get you.
Oh.
So I was going in like this. Barry came across in front of me, took my spot.
How rude! Oh my god, they have caught us up.
The boat was coming out.
There'll be no bakery. What we can do for breakfast?
Nice on the neck foot.
Then it'll be less nice.
Donuts again today.
Got donuts, got pizza, got spinach pie,
Yacht Skipper Dylan.
got bread.
So if I buy you a boat, you qualify, become a skipper, you can do like boat trips.
You get paid a decent amount if you're a
Captain
For a super
Dylan's
yacht, yeah.
turtle hunting boat extravaganza.
I think even the crew get paid quite well.
How much would you charge for a day on your boat? To do
By
lunch?
silence.
£100.
That's cheap. I'll put on your super.
It better be good.
Which is probably more like
A day. You better become very good friends with turtles because we've seen a lot of turtles otherwise.
oh, they rescued it! Is he not going to wave to us? How very rude!
I like how it just went in. I bet it's not even allowed in that area.
After you've spotted it and everything, Maddie, don't even get away.
Tom as well, he's the nicest.
We're getting really close to it. Should I?
Yeah, so you're going to head in towards the beach, so turn left forward slightly.
Where's it going?
in the area. I bet you went in
No.
really quick.
I'm surprised they actually went over.
Yeah, I was thinking that because
I assume you messaged them.
No, I didn't. How weird is that?
Maybe Barry's boat.
Yeah.
They must have got in there before you.
Stole your glory.
Wait, am I heading into their zone?
5 metres?
Yeah, I've been doing like.
That was like that. What was it?
Something like that, yeah, around there.
That's still the first one.
If Dylan steers us in, Henry, do you want to do the anchor? Yeah.
Then I've got a bit.
Is it at 10?
No, it's at 11.7.
So what have you learned, guys? So if we're going in about, let's just say for the math,
Oh,
5.
I know. So if
You
you're
don't
at
know what
like,
the question is.
if you're at like depth 2 meters times it by 5, and that's how much angle.
There or thereabouts.
Give me
4
the
or 5?
question.
For the
I know
anchor,
what you're
yeah,
asking.
he asked me that
meters
this
of
morning.
anchor.
I don't know what you're asking. Can I have the
Okay,
question?
so I'll ask Dylan, sorry, Henry the question. So if we're in 5 metres of water, roughly, give or take a metre or two, how much anchor would we put out?
5.
No,
10.
remember what I said? You
10. Oh yeah, 25.
Help me! Should have got your flare out.
Yeah. And then I got in the boat, fell into the boat basically. I got taken to the beach, had to go to the hospital.
6.5.
And then they were like, yeah, it's not broken. And I was like,
And then you feel like a total whip, don't you? Like, it's just a bruise.
I took all that, like,
Oh, it's gone down a lot.
I
Dad.
lied and said, yes, it's broken. Broken.
Dad, it's on 6 now.
It's okay, don't worry.
If it gets to like 4, should we stop? Dad, you'll let
Yeah.
me know.
And then we came back over here, and the guy who's driving the rig came to the boat, and I was like, great. So I like got up to get onto the yacht, and he was driving the boat at like an angle. He just picked like full fast forward to the horizon. I was like led on the floor, and I was like, I'm just gonna stay here now. My toes got broken. Everyone thinks like broken tail, and it didn't.
When I was at school once, we had these like
We're at 5 now.
these like fitness hula hoop people come in to do like an experience with the kids with those like weighted hula hoops.
Yeah. That's the marker for the beach club sailing area.
So I was like hula hooping, it was all like music and it was all fun, and hula hoop and played hula hoop. It smacked me in the face, thought it broke my nose.
4.7.
So school made me go to the hospital. It wasn't broken, I told them it was.
No,
Just
yeah.
because it makes you look cooler.
I should definitely
You
do
should
that.
definitely have done that.
It was quite funny because I gave my ex-friend like a
Oh cool!
CD, so I got back and I was like,
No way. You right? Still want pasta? Of course you can. I bought some this morning. Right, let's get lunch on. Do you realise, guys, just how hot it's going to be down here cooking pasta? You owe me a cold beer later. Are you ready to jump in?
Yeah.
Go on then, jump in.
Oh, done that! I might jump in as well. How is it? It's not that cool, actually. How much I can do.
Are there elephants up there? Maddie, this reminds me of my nan and granddad. My nan and granddad had an old static caravan. They're both dead now, they passed away a few years ago. And the inside was pretty much the same size as this, and it had like a little kitchen area the same as this, but it had an oven. And my nan would still knock up a full Sunday roast, because granddad would always have a roast on Sunday. And not just like a bit of chicken breast, it would be a whole chicken, lamb, beef, Yorkshire puddings. She would cook it all, bless her, in a kitchen the size of this, with a tiny little oven and 2 little hobs. After 3, deal. 3, 2, 1, go!
You can do a front flip. You can do it this down.
Coach just behind you, babe. Oh, whatever's open, Coke or...
Do you want to grab another glass?
Yep, hold on, just getting it now. Another glass.
Probably better if you enjoy your food more.
Henry, just shut up for a minute. So, boys, what have you learned so far? How to what?
Tack.
So how do we tack?
So you ready about we got somebody on this one. Either pulling or letting go. And someone on the opposite side to say letting go. So one of them pulls, one of them lets go. And then when the sails about in the middle pull and it goes to one side, and then you turn the boat so the wind goes into the sail.
Cool. And why do we tack?
Change the deck so we can get as much wind into the sail.
Do we tack upwind or downwind?
Struck by lightning.
scale of 1 to 10, how nervous were you bringing the boat in today?
Ooh, a 6.
Just a 6.
You almost crashed into the
Just
other
a
boat
6. Well, a 6 and then it got worse.
So the 25 knot winds that we experienced earlier were not playing on your mind at all?
Yes, it was still very windy in harbour. It was about 12, 13 knots.
And how did you get on bringing the boat in?
I was okay until the wind blew the stern into the next boat. Other than that, it was a success.
So for those that don't know the sailing terminology, did you nearly crash into another boat or not?
I might have done a little bit, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hi. Yamas.
Yamas.